The brown dog affair was a political controversy about vivisection that raged in Britain from 1903 until 1910. It involved the infiltration by Swedish feminists of University of London medical lectures, pitched battles between medical students and the police protection for the statue of a dog, a libel trial at the Royal Courts of Justice, and the establishment of a royal commission to investigate the use of animals in experiments. The affair became a cause célèbre that divided the country. The controversy was triggered by allegations that, in February 1903, William Bayliss of the Department of Physiology at University College London performed an illegal vivisection before an audience of 60 medical students on a brown terrier dog, adequately anesthetized, according to Bayliss and his team, conscious and struggling, according to the Swedish activists. The procedure was condemned as cruel and unlawful by the National Anti-Vivisection Society. Outraged by the assault on his reputation, Bayliss, whose research on dogs led to the discovery of hormones, sued for libel and won. Anti-vivisectionists commissioned a bronze statue of the dog as a memorial, unveiled on the Latchmere Recreation Ground in Battersea in 1906, but medical students were angered by its provocative plaque, "Men and Women of England, how long shall these things be?" leading to frequent vandalism of the memorial and the need for a 24-hour police guard against the so-called anti-doggers. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.